Menteri rangba jong kajela konrad kesang ma hakas ngibalang ulapan bena basyan kamairang civil subdivision kan kiu kradan no kumka district ya kane ulapan bena habakran hakajinyalang hamanai hakapor bapli ya constructionong nangta kadorbar hall kajaka syong pajba hamadan football bad kamadan football hamanai kabreru kasnong UMLA kamairang bamet ba lengdo ulong ru ba kamairang kadehok banyu district namar ba ka West Khasi Hills kawan hakakerdan bashpo nakaliang karoy kapar nakikarwe tili ki district hapo kajela haswa man penbena Menteri rangba uba met ba lengdo ubolong UMLA kamairang bad uspikar ka assembly bad kumjuru uba broading nosik ubadai UMLA ka mau tharaisan bad menteri ka sarkar Meghalaya kilakan tu ya Menteri rangba ban kantir district no ya kamairang civil subdivision bad man penbena no hi hakane ka jinyalang.
Keeping all these factors in mind, I'm very, very pleased and happy to announce that Mairang will be a district. We will have a district in Mairang, is what I would like to tell you. And I'm not saying this to make anybody happy. Or I'm not saying it because Babrol will be upset. It's not. There is a logic behind it. There is a need for it. There's a clear structural and administrative challenge that West Khasi Hills faces. I used to tell our Honourable Speaker that these are the 2-3 districts where we as a government need to focus more on. It's not that other districts are not important. All are important. East Jayante Hills also faces a lot of challenges. And therefore there is a plan for that district also, and we're doing many things. But West Khasi Hills needs a structural change. I'm also happy to inform you that I've put up a high-level committee that is headed by the Chief Secretary. And he has already started working on the overall official procedure on how we will move forward with the creation of the district. But in this, we also have other districts, other areas, other blocks, areas which are demanding block subdivisions also. But let me be very, very clear to our citizens. We will take a decision based on the need and the real urgency to create these administrative units. Yes, I know people may want, but if there is a way in which we can improve things and it's not required, we may not go ahead with all the demands. It's not possible. So I want to be very clear with that. And therefore Chief Secretary's levels committee will look into this aspect and go through all the different demands that are there. I expect the report to come in very, very soon. And shortly after that, we will be able to go ahead with Mairang, because Mairang is one district I know that deserves to be upgraded from SDO, from civil subdivision to a district.